In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a chart's data source and switch chart types in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to update the data in a presentation or simply want to give your visuals a fresh look, knowing how to efficiently modify charts in PowerPoint is a skill worth mastering. Let's dive in and learn how you can do this easily. First things first, you'll need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you've opened it up, you can either choose to open an existing presentation that you'd like to work on, or start fresh by creating a new one. As you get ready, make sure your presentation includes all the necessary elements like photos, tables, and other content to support your data. Next, locate the chart you want to modify within your slide. With a simple click, select it to bring up the chart-related tools. You'll notice that once a chart is selected, a new tab called Chart Design automatically appears on the ribbon at the top of your interface. This is where most of your chart editing will happen. Within the Chart Design tab, look towards a section labeled Data. In there, you'll find an option called Edit Data. Click on it, and this will open a small window that resembles a spreadsheet. This window allows you to make changes directly within PowerPoint without needing to jump into an external application like Excel. When you're in this data window, go ahead and make all the necessary adjustments to your chart's data. Whether you're adding new numbers, modifying existing ones, or even changing labels, this is the place to do it. Once you've completed your updates, simply close the window and you'll see your chart automatically refresh with the new data that you've just entered. With your data updated and ready to go, you might want to explore different visual representations for your chart. Head back to the Chart Design tab. Here, in the Type group, you'll see the option to change chart type. Clicking this will open a dialog box showcasing a wide array of chart categories and types. Take a moment to browse through the different options available. You might find that a bar chart presents your data more clearly than a line graph, or perhaps a pie chart offers a more engaging way to break down your statistics. Once you've chosen the new chart type that best suits your presentation, simply select it and click OK. Your chart on the slide will then transform into the new type you've selected while preserving all the data changes you've previously made. And there you have it. You've successfully updated both the data and the type of your chart in PowerPoint. With these steps, you can ensure your presentations are not only informative but also visually appealing and engaging for your audience.